Still can't believe it. This is surreal, man. I think I'm dreaming. Still dreaming, I think. Alright, we're back. Changed the battery. Yeah, my battery's not really working properly, so hopefully this one lasts a little bit longer than the last one. That one lasted 2 minutes. Anyway, I digress. This ride is all about me going back on the road, just getting back to it, really, because I've been off for about a year. My last video I made on YouTube was on November the 10th 2002. Nice little spot here. Horsham Park. There's a cafe as well, just right here. As you would have guessed already, on the cockpit is the Triumph Street Triple S, so it's a standard one. Ignore that one. Previous owner dropped it. See that little scratch there? There's a bit of scratch there as well, and he damaged this. Right, I'm on my way to Rikers now. I haven't been there since it got renovated. I'm looking forward to see what has been done to it, so let's go and check it out. Look at the sun, look at the roads, dry. It was raining about 2 hours ago, and now it's fully dry. Nice weather. It's about 10 degrees, I would say. Got a new bike on the road again, on 2 wheels for the first time. Damn. Woo! This triple engine, it's yeah, I love it. Ooh, better not. So let me talk about this bike. First of all, why I got this bike is because it was such a good deal and I couldn't say no. Secondly, it's the engine in this bike. I love the engine. That Revy triple engine. I road test the 2020 of this bike, the RS version of this, and I fell in love. I'll link the video somewhere. Go and check it out. She's not perfect, she's not pretty, but for me she's beautiful. I have it on rain for now. I want to keep it safe as much as possible. Oh man, what happened to the sun? It's gone. It's freezing. I got the wrong gloves for this weather. I couldn't find my winter gloves, so I have to go with my summer gloves. My hands is cold. I love riding, but I'm not a big fan of the cold weather. Just can't help myself. This bike is so good, I love it. Shipples, man. It's cold. Luckily I'm just going to Rikers today, not going anywhere further. Keep it close, baby. Hope you can hear me. Can you hear me? Man, I haven't been here for so long. Check this out. It's definitely looking cafe racer style place. This is what I'm talking about. Check it out. That's cool. I do like that. That's sick. Love it. But yeah, it's quite a few people here. It's nice. It's nice to see. Nice Harley, that. Is that Road King by any chance? But I'm gonna go in there, check it out and see what's up, then I'll talk to you about it later. Police is looking for someone. Oop-ah. Nearly. Close one. Oh! First ride. Nearly stacked that one. Oh mate, could you imagine if I oh, I know it's funny, but it would have been embarrassing. That cloud doesn't look too friendly, so I'm gonna start heading home, I guess. Hello sir, thank you for your service. So Rikers, yes, love it. It's a nice vibe in there. It's got that cafe racer vibes, old school, rustic. Definitely check out Rikers box seal. It's giving me that bike shed vibes. Oh, that would have been embarrassing. Oop-ah. Oh man. Oop-ah. Nearly. It's been a great first day back on the road. The bike's good. Nearly dropped her, so stay tuned for more videos. So today's just going to be a really short video. It's just me riding to Rikers and back, see what's up with Rikers, and obviously, as I said earlier, I'm getting back to the riding side of it and getting used to this bike. I can't fault it, to be honest. It's good. But yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Make sure you press that notification bell, and until then, I'll see you soon. Ride safe. Ciao ciao.